Yoga has a lot of physical benefits. It not only helps to reduce weight, it also tones and stretches and strengthens our back muscles, our shoulders, our heart, our chest muscles, our abdominal muscles, our thighs, our knees, our calves, our ankles, an overall exercise for the whole body. And this helps to release stress. It helps to fight depression, anxiety. It is therapeutic for people with osteoporosis, with back pain, with various diseases with your kidney. Regular practice of yoga helps to create a bridge between our internal organs, our external limbs, and our overall mental health. Now that we've learned about what is yoga and about its many benefits, let's move on to how to practice yoga. Ashtanga Yoga has 6 series. It has primary series, intermediate series, and 4 other very advanced series. It takes many, many years of practice just to master primary series. And in the next episodes, I will be showing you a few parts of a few asanas from the primary series. What a lot of people don't know about Ashtanga Yoga is that it can be very physically demanding. And it can actually be quite dangerous if it's done wrong. So before our practice, we must make sure of a few things. 1, you need to prepare your body with a specific set of warm-ups, which I will be showing to you in a later episode. 2, there's a specific way of breathing which you must maintain throughout your yoga practice. 3, before getting into any asana, make sure to study it, make sure to understand how your body is supposed to be performing at each posture. To see the next videos on Ashtanga Yoga, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel.